These two YouTube channels have skyrocketed, growing from 0 to over 200,000 subscribers in just 5 months by telling captivating stories of historical figures with the help of AI-generated imagery. Their videos have captured the attention of millions, myself included. Having unexpectedly become the go-to guy for creating these videos, I've decided to make a comprehensive tutorial on crafting historical shorts, sharing all my secret techniques. Creating these videos has brought significant income. Watch until the end, and I'll reveal my monetization strategies. So, how are we going to do this? We'll use ChatGPT to generate the script, Leonardo AI for the imagery, 11 Labs for the voiceover. Finally, we'll bring everything together with CapCut. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. The first step is script generation. Go to ChatGPT and simply type in something like history facts or weird facts about Romans, and ask it to generate a YouTube short script. If you're not satisfied, you can retry until you get something you're satisfied with. Next, we'll generate B-roll imagery using Leonardo AI. Ask ChatGPT to write image prompts based on the script, then paste these prompts into Leonardo AI, and add hyper-realistic to the prompts for more lifelike images. Select the best images, download and upscale the images. Now, with the script and B-roll ready, we'll use 11 Labs for the voiceover, select a narrator, and generate the audio. For editing, we'll use CapCut, which offers pre-built animations and auto captions. Import the videos and audio, sync the images with the script, and change the aspect ratio. Add filters for clarity, transitions for smooth scene changes, and effects to enhance the visuals. For example, use the zoom out animation for intros and the pendulum effect for depth. Adding animations and transitions to each clip will make your video stand out. Use CapCut's built-in effects like black smoke for battle scenes or fire effects for dramatic moments. Experiment with different effects to see what works best with your B-roll. Now, add captions with CapCut's auto captions feature. Customize the text with a shadow effect and appropriate font for better readability. Finally, add your branding and a subtle animation to your video. Export your video and review the final product. This comprehensive approach ensures your videos are engaging and polished. For monetization, consider selling digital or physical print-on-demand products featuring AI-generated images. Link these in your video descriptions and pinned comments. Additionally, create longer-form videos to drive more ad revenue. Encourage viewers to watch these by linking them in your shorts. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more content. All resources used in this video are available in description. I hope this video helps you make money with YouTube using AI. If you find this video helpful, please like it so YouTube can recommend it to more people like you. If you have any suggestions or questions, you can share them in the comments section, and I will reply to each of you. See you next time.